Most unpredictable and awe-inspiring forces. These are the top 5 most dangerous unexpected lightning strikes on Earth, with a quick description of each. But first, you'll have incredible luck tomorrow if you like, and subscribe in the next 5 seconds. Number 1. A quite driving on the highway in Florida until. Number 2. In Saratoga Springs in Utah, suddenly shattered by nature's raw power. A lightning strike nearly in the neighborhood. Number 3. A lightning bolt strike a tree near a home, a stark reminder of its unpredictable. Number 4. In India, a playful moment turns dangerous. A girl stands on a rooftop as lightning dangerously close. Number 5. Amid the vast sea, tranquility turns to awe. Which disaster terrifies you the most? Comment down below and don't forget to like and subscribe.